Yo, what's good? It's your boy Doordash Delivery back at it with another food delivery right along, fam. It is 4:43 p.m. on a Friday. All right, let's log on and do the damn thing, huh? Follow me on my journey. Oh, forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell for more gig economy content. All right, let's log on with Uber, fam. All right, let's wait 5 minutes. If no order, then we'll log on with Doordash. Ubereats been better for me than Doordash lately, so let's wait a few more minutes, fam. Look at this, look at this. 273 for 5.
Look at my eyes, man. You can't touch this.
Bust that, bozo. Decline, man. I'm a dog owner, but I don't do clown orders, man. Come on, dude. Let's wait for something better, huh? Decline. Bust that, bozo. Yeah, don't forget to check out my take the bus that bozo merch, link in the description and in the comments and in the channels about in my Doordash delivery channel. Go to my channel, go all the way to the right, click on about. Merch is somewhere in the middle. The link is there on there. 2 clowns in a row, fam. Let's wait a little bit, huh? Bust that, bozo.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Walk there and get it yourself, man. No way, man. Don't be afraid to smash the decline, fam. And please smash the like and ring the bell for me. But don't be afraid to decline these orders, you know. My Doordash acceptance rate has gone from 45% to 8% within a span of 3 days. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm dead. I'm naughty, babe.
What is that? 24, 48, 72 hours. Within a span of 72 hours, my Doordash acceptance rate has gone down from 45% to 8%. So I think we have to log on with Doordash, fam. It's getting ridiculous, huh? All right, we're in this zone, so might as well just log on here. Dash now. Select a time. 9 p.m. Everything check. Check, 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 check. Start dashing. Let's go. And in 5 minutes we don't get a good order, might have to log on with Grubhub. Let's wait for a few more minutes, huh? Alright, fam, it's been 2 minutes and we got nothing to log on with Grubhub, huh? My phone's freezing today. I don't know why. Yeah, I have to shut off some apps. Hold on 1 second. I won with Grubhub. Yeah. Too many apps running at the same time, I think. So one with all 3 apps. It is 4:49 p.m. on a Friday. So let's wait 5 more minutes. Still taking a smoke break. If nothing happens, we'll go to a better zone, huh? All right, fam, been sitting here for 5 minutes, nothing's happening. So let's go to my favorite zone, huh? Cherry Creek Wash Park. Let's go. All right, fam, for all the new dasher out there, to do the dashing along the way, you just pick on the zone that you want to dash on, in. So I want to dash in that zone. Boom, dash along the way. Pick your time. Check. Check, check, check. Start dashing. Check everything. Let's go. Auto zone. Decline, fam. Decline. Bust that, bozo. Hell no. Alright, fam. After like 5 or 10 minutes of driving, finally got one good order with Grubhub. I believe it's $8 for 2 miles. I'll put the screenshot on the screen, huh? Today I'm dashing with my iPhone, so it's a lot easier to do the screenshot thing. All right, let's head to Aki Sushi, fam. Let's get it. All right, the good news is our order has been.
South Broadway.
I think the order has been made or confirmed or something. I don't know. Usually with Grubhub, there's always a wait once you arrive at the restaurant, you know, and only like 5 or 10% of my orders comes from Grubhub. They do pay pretty well, the good orders, but we'll see how it goes. It's only been confirmed, okay, so I don't know if it's ready. Let's hope it's ready. If not, then we'll go with plan B, huh? All right, fam, just pick up Brenda's order for Grubhub, and I met my old co-worker in there. I don't know if they work there or they own the restaurant. Aki Sushi on Broadway and Hampton. Yeah, Denver's a small world, man. Everywhere I go, I see people I used to work with or I know, you know. Been in the restaurant industry for a while, so maybe I'll take my wife here one day, get some sushi. Looks pretty good, but let's go deliver Brenda's Grubhub order. Let's go. I we're here, fam. It's super windy. Now almost knocked me off the ground. All right, with Grubhub, you don't need to snap a photo or anything, but just to protect yourself, you can use a photo stamp app and snap a photo at the front door and then hand it to them, you know, just to protect yourself. But usually with Grubhub, yeah, all my customers been good, you know. So we just dropped that one off, and nothing from Grubhub yet, so let's log back on with Doordash, resume. We're in a hotspot, and my dad called me, and log back on with Ubereats, and I'm gonna give my dad a call. Hold on. Oh man, it's hopping like within 60 seconds. Basically I got 2 good orders, one from Grubhub, but I picked up a double stack from Doordash. Screenshotted it. All right, 2 orders, 1509, fam. 1509, 2.5 double stack from Chipotle. Let's go. Houston, we have a problem. So it's this double stack. They only have Nathan, not Sarah's, and it's rush hour right now, and they won't let me manually unassign one of them. You know, I have to chat with them. You know, and so I'm gonna go ahead and drop off Nathan's order and then get back on the chat later on. I'll use my second phone for the GPS. Yeah, it's very frustrating, you know. Very good double stack, but one of them, Chipotle don't have it, and you can't like manually unassign it on your app. You have to text support, or you have to call them, you know, depending on if you like to chat or call. So I'm gonna drop off Nathan's order and we'll go on from there. Let's go, fam. And honestly, I'm not an expert with navigating through the Dasher app. It's very hard to use, you know, even though I've been dashing for like a year. On and off like 3 years now. See, I don't know what that. I told him to just unassign Sarah, you know. I have Nathan but not Sarah. Can you unassign Sarah's for me, and blah blah blah. Okay, I think it's successfully unassigned. All right, let's hope they only unassign Sarah, not both of them, you know. All right, let's go, fam. All right, fam, 2 minutes later, we got a good Ubereats order. Thai galley, I believe it's $10 for 4 miles. I screenshotted it, so put it on the screen. I think it's 10 for 4, and usually with Ubereats, the tips always come through, you know, and sometimes I get more than the expected tips. Maybe 5% of the times I get more than the expected tip. Thai galley, 10 for 4, let's go. Alright, fam, heading to the Thai galley on Broadway in Hampton. 10 for 4, let's go. Yeah, I'm only gonna be shooting footage outside, you know. I don't feel comfortable bringing the GoPro inside. Let's go pick up some Thai galley for Ubereats and make some money, fam. Let's go. Alright, just got the Thai galley. Pretty windy today. Let's go make some money, fam. Let's get it. Alright, fam, let's go drop off this bad boy, huh? Let's go. Follow me on my journey. I need 2 more hands, fam. Let's get it. Leave it the door, front door, snap a photo, on to the next. snap a photo. On to the next. That's how you do it, fam. Pretty simple, right? All right, Houston, we have a problem. 16-minute wait, so that's gonna be canceled, fam. That's a problem. Can't deliver this order. Is something else? Hold on. Okay, there's a problem. Order is not ready. Order not started until I arrive. 30 to 45 minutes. Submit. I don't want to wait for this order. Reject offer. Alright, on to the next one, fam. Alright, fam. Alright, fam. So we just lost 5 minutes right there, you know. And had a pretty good double stack offer from Grubhub as well. But it's 9 miles for 23. Bad Daddy's Pizza double stack. 1 restaurant, 2 customer. But I don't think that one is worth it. So it's gonna keep the distance low during the dinner rush, you know. See what Grubhub got, huh? Look at that. I have a feeling it's not gonna be ready. Yeah, we're gonna decline that, fam. It's too far away, you know. Look at that. Reject. Offer too low. Let's wait for something better, fam. All right. 1 minute later, got something good from Doordash. $9 for 4 miles, I believe, at the Palenque in downtown Littleton. And Doordash is a little bit better with their timing compared to Grubhub, you know. Yeah, I got there, they didn't make the order yet. 15 minutes? Nah, no way, man. All right, let's go pick up this Doordash order. Let's get it, fam. All right, fam, just drop it up and look what we got. And the lady was super nice, you know. I think she ordered through the restaurant, and she's like, I put a 20% tip. Did you get the whole tip? I'm like, yes, I got it, man. Thank you so much. And another $5 for me. So very good customer in Greenwood Village, fam. Been a good day. Let's go make some more money. All right. We got something good, but Jerusalem's a little bit slow as well. This should be a banger, fam. 6 miles for $16.38. So if the wait is under 10 minutes, I'll wait for it. I have many picked up from Jerusalem. It's a very popular late night spot. All right, let's go there and see what's going on, huh? And gotta re-up on my energy drinks and Marlboro as well. I know smoking is bad, but these clowns are giving me migraine, fam. Let's go make some Grubhub money. If the wait is less than 10 minutes, I'll wait for it. I'm too sexy for this Doordash. Let's go, fam. All right, fam. We're still going strong. 7:57 p.m. Picking up Del Taco. 805 for 4.4. Not too shabby, right? But every time I deliver to Greenwood Village and Cherry Hills, there's always the app always crashes. You know, there's no cell phone reception in those 2 towns. You know. Greenwood Village and Cherry Hills Village. All right, fam, let's go drop off this Del Taco. 805 for 4.4. Let's go. All right, fam, just finished dropping off that, and I think we've been on the clock for like 3 hours or so. And I'm gonna stop the video here, you know, see how much you can make on a Friday night for 3 hours. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and have to wait a couple hours for the earnings to come in, and I'll keep you guys posted. And I'm gonna go home and edit this video. Thank you everybody for watching this ride along, fam. Be safe out there. Go make that money. Peace, fam. All right, fam. So finally, all the earnings have come in with Grubhub. We made $24.38 on 2 orders with Grubhub. Completed. 1 for $16.38 and 1 for $8, fam. With Ubereats, $29.60 in 1.5 hour. Ubereats, $29.60. And let's see Doordash, huh? All right, Doordash, first order, $7.09. And then 14.08 on the second order. So if you add all of them up, it's about $75 for 3 hours. So I guess averaging about $25 per hour. So yeah, today was just okay. Yeah, food delivery's been slow this week, fam. And you know, I like the new shirt. You know, I'm digging it. 6 miles for $3. Take the bus there, bozo. Link in the description, fam. Thanks everybody for watching this ride along. Be safe out there. Go make that money. Thank you, fam.